Dear students, your Bindu Ma'am here. I will be your moral science teacher. Today we will go through grade 6, chapter 1st. The title of the chapter is Riverside Dreams. Here 4 friends are gathering nearby the river and they are discussing about the future. We will go through the lesson first. It was a pleasant Sunday morning. Tom got up late. He found Papa sitting in the veranda reading a newspaper, Mom as usual working in the kitchen, and his lovely sister Tanya chasing chickens in the front yard. So, like any other boys, it was a Sunday morning, so he woke up very late. Then he went to the kitchen. He found his mummy was cooking and his daddy was reading the newspaper at the veranda. Then he noticed his only one sister Tanya was chasing the chickens. By the time he finished washing and brushing, it was time for breakfast. After finished breakfast, he took permission from Papa and Mom for an outing with his friends. So, after his breakfast, after he had his breakfast, he got permission from his parents. He got permission from his Papa and Mom and went for outing. He usually went for outing with his friends. He first went to Harry, whose family was residing just few yards away from his house on the same line. Firstly, he went to Harry's house. It was so near to him. And after reached Harry's house, they would go to other friend's house. The duo then went to Mohan and Prakash. After he met Harry, both of them went to Mohan and Prakash's house. They decided to move out to the water, their favorite hangout. So their favorite game is playing into the water or water sports. The river was shallow and it had willows and huge rocks on the banks. So the speciality of the river is it was surrounded by rocks and the willow tree also standing nearby. Then they would swim in the cool and fresh water for some time. When they got tired, they would come out of the water and lie down on the pristine sand for sunbath. So after they enjoyed well into the water, when after finish swimming or after they became tired, they would come out of the water and will lay on the sand for sunbath. It was then they lie down on the sand and they would start discussing about sports, politics and cinema, and also about their family, friendship, teachers, day-to-day developments in the school, quarrels with other schoolmates, etc. So, while they were on the sand or during the sunbath, they used to discuss about their friends, family, teachers, day-to-day developments in the school, fighting with other classmates and friends, also discussing about the teachers and so on. While discussing about their teachers, it suddenly struck Tom's mind what he would become when he reaches the age of his teachers. So, while they were talking about the teachers, they had an idea. Tom had an idea what they will become when they reach into the age of teachers. So what will be the profession they may choose once they became the age of these teachers. He said, have you ever imagined what would happen to us after some years? Harry, when I grow up, I will make a lot of money and buy a big house in the town. I will be very rich then. Harry is disclosing his thought about his future. He is telling he will make lots of money, he will construct a big house, then he will do some business and earn some money, and after that I will become a very rich in that place. This is the thought of Harry. Mohan, it is easy to dream of becoming rich, but how? To dreaming is a good thing or it is an easy thing, dreaming always, but how it is possible? Prakash, that is easy. We can do business or get some high paying job to become rich in a short period of time. Prakash is saying, hey, it is easy only. We can do business or we can access or get high paid jobs. So if you get either high paid jobs or if you do business, we can achieve lots of money. We can earn lots of money within the short period of time. Mohan, my dream is to become a doctor someday so that I can make lot of money. But Mohan's thought was different. He's telling, I want to become a doctor, then I can achieve or amass lots of money. Tom, saying is easy. Have you ever thought of the hard work you have to put into become a doctor? Tom was asking, do you think that the lots of effort or the hard work you have to endure to become a doctor? Mohan, no pain, no gain is my principle. Yes, I know it is so hard only. So I am ready to work hard and suffer a lot to become a doctor. I will work hard to become a highly qualified doctor. Besides making money, I want to help the needy as well. Mohan is saying, yes, I know it is very difficult only. So I will work hard. I will work hard to become a highly qualified doctor. I want to become a doctor not only because of earning money, but also I want to support the needy people around me. Prakash, that's wonderful. It is very hard to find honest people, honest doctors these days, as most of them are after making money. I feel Mohan can become a good doctor when he grows up. Now Prakash is saying is that is wonderfully because nowadays it's very difficult to get a good doctor because all the doctors are running after to amass wealth. So it is not an easy thing to become a doctor, but if Mohan became a good doctor, it will support for many. He can support many. And he expressed Mohan can become a good doctor. Hari, there are lots of people who are absolutely ignorant of their inborn abilities, and as a result of which they struggle to come out of their pathetic living conditions. I want to study psychology so that I can become a good counselor to guide young people through the right path. So Hari wants to become a counselor, so he wants to study psychology. He thinks that many are quite ignorant about their skills and talents. When God creates each person, He gives some talents, but many are quite unaware about their talents and they are unable to come out of their pathetic conditions. They are quite unaware about to utilize their talents for their life. So Hari is thinking he can support these people through proper guidance, and he can improve the living standard of these people. Prakash, that is indeed an excellent idea. I feel I too should do something to help people who live in subhuman conditions in slums. There are also human beings and have every right to live like us. Their children don't get the privilege to go to school. Instead, they are forced to go all around in search of daily bread. I'm thinking about the ways I can help them to get the kind of education we get. So Prakash is also supporting the ideas of other friends, and he is also thinking about the students or children who are living in the slums. They are underprivileged and they are not getting proper education, proper food, and quite unhygienic environment they are living. So he wants to improve the living standard of these people. He wants to support these children for their education. Each morning these children are going out to search for food instead of going to school. So he wants to send them school like us, how the way we are enjoying our school life. He wants to help them to send them to the school. Hari, I think even if we take up different professions in future, we can form an NGO to support the underprivileged children in the slums. That will also give us an opportunity to work together so that our friendship will go on forever. Here Hari is suggesting another thing. He has the plan to start up an NGO. NGO will help everyone, help them to join to the work together, and it will help them to continue their friendship forever. Tom, what is an NGO? NGO stands for non-governmental organization. These are non-profit voluntary citizens group which are organized on a local, national or international level. Most of the NGOs work in the field of human rights, environment and health. So, Hari is explaining about NGOs. It is a non-governmental organization and it was running by voluntary citizens group, or it may be either locally or nationally or internationally we can work for it. And many NGOs are working for human rights, environment and health. Prakash, we have different aspirations and talents. It is sure that we will be taking up different professions when we grow up. That will force us to break our friendship sometime in future. But if we form an NGO, it will give us an opportunity to work together so that our friendship will continue forever. So Prakash is also supporting the thought of creating or forming an NGO, because if we are able to create an NGO, we can work together and it will help us to continue our friendship forever. Mohan, hi guys, it is getting hotter here. Shall we move to the shades under the willows? The group moved to the cool shades of the willows and sat there for a while. They decided to work together to serve humanity, even while fulfilling their professional aspirations. They also decided to collect more information from their parents and teachers about the legal procedures to form an NGO. How the beams of the sun are falling straight, and they got up and went to their homes. Finally, the friends decided to form an NGO, so they are thinking about to collect the information about the legal procedures to form an NGO from their parents and teachers. Finally, they decide to
leave to the house.
Children go through the lesson 2 or 3 times, then carefully understand the content of the lesson.